The hedge fund 40% return stocks are out. These are the ones where hedge funds for the last 3 years have generated 40% per annum. And on top of that, they've done it for 3 years. Okay, I'll give you an example. A company like this, 53% per annum. What we're going to look at is, as you can see there, the 53% per annum. What we're going to look at is what do they hold and do they meet our criteria going forward. What are our criteria that we're going to look at? Well, these are what I call non-special situations. They're exclusive to the Great Investments Program. I'm going to give you a sneak peek, okay? Because you're nice people. The sneak peek is this. The hedge funds must have returned 40% per annum for the last 3 years, have over $1 billion of assets under management, must hold at least 5% of its stocks, of its assets in that particular stock that I'm going to look at least 40% reasonable target in the next 12 months based on the existing trend or a historic trend, were it to repeat it. Exits are specified in the video and there is a multiple positive reward to risk. In other words, if it's 40% to the upside, then the downside can only be 20%. They don't meet my Great Investments Program special situation minimum criteria, which are listed here. I won't go into detail, and please read this. This is for information education. So if we take this company's existing holdings, they happen to be these. However, which of these meet my further criteria of the 40% rule and the multiple reward to risk, downside to upside? So let's have a look at Bill Holdings. Okay, this is how it would look. There's your upside trend. Were it to continue, it's not had much of an upside trend generally. So were it to continue, you might say no chance of that happening. You look at the seasonality and you think, look, most months it's falling. I'm not interested. Most of the investment banks don't like it. I'm not interested. But that's where the hedge funds and their experience and expertise tends to come in. You might say the 98% is not likely to happen either. More importantly, where do I put the stop loss? Just below its low point there, because were it to go up there, it has no business falling down here. That's how the calculation is done. To its credit, the momentum is low and should rise, but it isn't a 7, 8, or 9, or 10. Therefore, it's not a special situation on the Great Investments Program. It's outside the program. I'm sharing it with you to give you some education information. Do we have a multiple upside to downside? Yes, it's more than 2 to 1, so that's fine. How much money would one put into it? Well, let's assume that that drop was a, for argument's sake, 20% drop. If you didn't want to lose more than £1,000, you wouldn't buy more than £5,000 because 20% of 5,000 is 1,000. Are you keeping up? Well, my industry is to do with numbers. Okay, so it's as simple as that, and that's the period, 12 months, or that target. If for any reason you don't like it, well, what happens? What happens? My team pitch to me these ideas. I go through them, I look at them, and make a decision. I say to them with this, well, it's pretty bloody high risk because it doesn't meet it's not undervalued, it's not high growth, it's not dividend yielding. All you've got going for it is the hedge fund manager with the 40% per annum. However, I'm just giving you one as an illustration. With my Great Investments Program, I've gone through 5 other hedge fund managers who've meet the multi-billion dollar 40% per annum for the last 3 years, and we've gone through all their various holdings to analyze theirs. There's many which are far better than this one, but I just wanted to show you the thinking process and how we do it. If you're in the Great Investments Program, the full thing, oh God, with a whole bunch of, I don't know, 40 odd stocks, it's up and it's live. Now enjoy. Japan's just opened, so I'm going to say bye. Don't forget to like and follow for more. And I look forward to seeing you on, well, YouTube and all the rest of it. You can see all those buttons, whoops, on that side. Okay, over there. Like, follow, subscribe, those crazy things. Thanks very much. See ya.